Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix ChatGPT keyboard shortcut not working on PC or desktop. So, if pressing the ChatGPT keyboard shortcut doesn't open the chat bar, the shortcut may have been removed, changed to a different key combination, or it could be conflicting with other shortcut on your computer. In most cases, assigning a different keyboard shortcut or checking the current shortcut in ChatGPT setting can fix this problem. So to fix it, first open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT in the menu bar. Now choose settings and here in ChatGPT settings page, scroll a bit and then go to chat bar section. Now here you can see keyboard shortcut and in right to it, if no shortcut is assigned, click on the text field and create a new one. And if the shortcut is already assigned, but it's not working, then try replacing it with a different key combination that hasn't been used by other apps. After saving a new keyboard shortcut, test it by pressing the keyboard combination you have set here and the chat bar will instantly appear on the screen. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.